Well, this is my next big job. I'm scraping the front roadside fence. I'm doing this section first, scraping, and then I'm going to de-rust it, and then I'll paint it. Anyway, I've scraped the outside here, and tomorrow morning I'll scrape the inside off. It's not easy work. Anyway, I'm getting there, slowly but surely. Here are girls. You got your pumpkin there. You got your scratch over there. You got some nice leaves and stuff to scratch in there. That'll keep you girls out of trouble and stop you fighting each other, huh? Enjoy yourselves. Be Well, there I bought 3 bags of play sand to start off with. I'll let them play in it and flatten it out, etc. And then I'll add more in over the next few weeks until the whole floor is covered. Make it nicer for the chickens. Well, guys, if I don't see you through the week, I'll see you through the window. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.